No.
there. I don't know when, but I will.
Yay! Finally at the top.
Yo. Let me blow my nose again. Wait a minute.
I love you.
Yeah, I know Blood Plus. But there's a different Blood Plus, right? There's different some Blood Plus. I only watched the that one. Which one is it?
Stop that! I don't know.
Wait a minute. Hello, Van. It's been a while. Hi. I know. It's my childhood. Yeah, this one.
No.
What's the main character name again? With the girl with the short hair. Saya! Was it Saya? And then she have this one butler. Yeah, the one. Yeah, Blood Plus.
He made to me, but I love Tower.
Parasite? Yeah, I know Parasite, but I haven't really finished it. Get my attendance taken in another stream, BRB. Okay, Ego-san. Hello, Starku. Hi. What blood type you are? Koro type? What else?
Yeah. I love this.
Saya and Hagi, yeah. Where your debut? Right now. I'm gonna debut right now.
Howie, I can be you.
Okay, guys. I think we're recovering our voice. I think we're recovering my voice, man.
What the heck?
Finally, wait, let me drink more water, just in case. Konbanwa minasan! Koro, well, you are a boy or a girl? Please tell me. I'm Koro. My last name is Nayo of the Seven Seas. Yeah. I'm getting horrified for no reason. You deserve that. Thank you, now, Kimber. Thank you. Okay, you're going here, though. You're going here. Thank you. Appreciate it. Where are you? Where'd you go? Okay. I'm gonna find you. Nope. You go in here.
Literally actor is only one people there. But the not actor is how handwritten.
You miss me?
What the hell?
Anong backstory mo niyan? My backstory? My lore? Okay, again. This is my lore. Hello, my name is Cora Dayo with the 60 +2. I used to be a 57-year-old Discord mod living in my parents' basement using a voice changer and has a lot of e-kittens. And suddenly, I got reincarnated into a pink shape-shifting VTuber. And this is who I am now. Cora Dayo. Dosa, yarashku. Hi. Please tell me, please. What should I tell you? Why do you need to know? I'm Koro. Hello, Luzmel. Hi, Luzmel.
Okay, there
you go. That's all the answers that you need to know. There. What else? What else you want to know? Tell me. What else do you want from me? I see VTubers really do have backstories, huh? Maybe just a cosmic princess
I want you.
And it's all VTubers have like backstories, lore. We call it lore. So you're not a 57-year-old Discord mod. I am. I'm leaving. No! Please! I'm a 57-year-old Discord mod. And I'm your favorite Discord mod. I'm still a Discord mod. At heart, in my heart, I'm still a Discord mod. Yeah, I'm a Discord mod, guys. Come on. You love me.
What the hell?
Where are you from? Taga doon lang ako. I'm from the Philippines, Philippines, the one of the country in the Southeast Asia. Yeah, somewhere there. If you go to at the map and you look for the Philippines, you'll find me there. No, you'll find me there. But where in the Philippines? No, I'm not gonna tell you where from the Philippines because if I tell you,